find the domain and range of the function f of x is equals to x over x squared minus 9. So to start with, for this particular fraction, the range, for you to understand range is a set of all possible output values of y. Now in this case, since we have a fraction as it is, this means that the range is everything. That is from negative infinity to positive infinity. So the key here is the domain. So for our domain, we have to make sure that the domain is not 0. So if we don't want the domain to be 0, then we can say x squared minus 9 must not be 0. So the denominator must not be 0. So this means that x squared should not be equals to positive 9. So x squared should not be equals to positive 9 as it is. So I can say introduce the square root to both sides, so that x must not be plus or minus 3. So the domain is that x should not be 3 and x should not be negative 3. So everything except these two values.